Let's test calcium hardness using your Taylor K-2006C Kit. Calcium hardness measures the amount of dissolved calcium in the water. Properly balanced calcium protects against corrosion, surface damage, and cloudy water. For commercial pools, the ideal calcium range is typically 100 to 300 parts per million. The bottles for testing calcium hardness will have blue caps. Fill the large test tube to the 25 milliliter line with fresh pool water. Add 20 drops of R0010, the calcium buffer, and swirl to mix. Then add 5 drops of R0011L, the calcium indicator, and swirl again. If calcium hardness is present, the sample will turn red. Next, add R0012, the calcium hardness titrating reagent, 1 drop at a time while swirling after each drop, until the color changes from red to blue. Count the total number of drops used. In our example, it took 30 drops. Multiply the number of drops by 10 to get your calcium hardness in parts per million as calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So, 30 drops times 10 equals 300 parts per million calcium hardness. Record your result and refer to your Taylor guidebook for interpretation and treatment recommendations. And that's your calcium hardness test completed. Watch the rest of our Taylor Kit tutorials, plus our other YouTube videos covering everything from cleaning tips to product demos, right here on the Easy Pool and Spa Supply channel.